thought I'd better make an update. I haven't made an update for ages. Well, I haven't been doing much in the way of my electronic stuff just lately because I've been a bit preoccupied with another issue, someone dumping rubbish, and I basically made this thing, which is a leaf guard for my drain outside. So I 3D printed this in 4 pieces because it was too big for the printer. Well, if you see what I mean, there's a print bed and there's a leaf guard, and it's really big. So I had to print it in 4 pieces and join each piece together. You can see the seam, and that's the bottom. So I used some ABS slurry mixed up with acetone to bond the pieces together, and I had to put the holes where the drain would be at the back. So I mean, I had to custom make this for one drain rather. So anyway, just thought I'd better make a video or something. So you can get an idea of the size based on my foot. I've got to fall over. So anyway, I've got it clamped with some little clips at the moment to hold it all. I think this is dried now actually, but I've just bonded these top pieces onto the bottom grill, and I put a little piece of ABS scrap material across there because I wanted to have this dipped a bit lower. I wanted this a bit lower because otherwise I won't be able to get this underneath the drain, because the pipe kind of comes out, and I don't want to be trying to hook it underneath because you can't really do that with this particular drain that's at the back. So, and I made a cowling that's going to go around. Well, I've got to print it out yet. There's like a U-shaped cowling that's going to come up and have a slight lid on, which will stop leaves and other crap from falling in the drain and blocking it up. This is what this is for. It's just to stop the drain getting blocked, really. That's all. So yeah, I'm just letting it harden for now. I've got to let this well, I stuck the 2 halves together, well, the 4 halves together, 4 quarters together rather. I've got to let this harden for 24 hours, and then it'll be ready to put in place outside. So I actually designed 4 of these. I did one with a low profile, which is this one, and I did another one with a higher profile where the back end comes a bit higher, but I thought, well, that's not going to fit very well, so I decided to use this one. So anyway, I haven't been doing much with the way of my project at the moment because I'm in a bit of a hole at the moment. I'm just trying to work some things out. Anyway, that's all there is for now. I've got these new carpets, look. I've got these new rugs, rubber backed as well, because I thought, well, I keep spilling stuff occasionally, so I've got these new rugs which are rubber backed, and if I spill anything, it's not going to go all the way through, hopefully, onto the carpet underneath. And my robot vacuum's been doing a good job. It's under the chair right now, keeping things clean. So there we go. And I've got they're actually industrial, these mats. I got them from a carpet warehouse locally, and they told me that they were industrial grade. So that's what I want really for when I'm doing my hobbies. But I've been trying to stop them slipping because I bought some carpet grips to go underneath, but they didn't work very well. I 3D printed some carpet grips which actually work better. These are the ones I bought, and they're too thick. They don't work very well. So I 3D printed some yellow ones. There's one of them, and they bend very easy, and they seem to work better. So I put some tape across where the rubber joins up, so that the robot vacuum can get over without hooking up onto the rubber, because it kept catching on the rubber sometimes. So also it stops crud going down between the gaps. And anyway, just a little update.